So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we will be discussing about Infibeam Avenue share. So today we have seen a very good movement of almost 11% upside. So this is not the first time we are discussing about Infibeam. So 2 weeks back, first I told regarding the bonus and immediate target was 100 rupees level. So that time it was trading near 92 rupees level. So after that I updated again with another video regarding the record date where it was providing the bonus of 1:1 and you need to have the shares before that particular date, and also we know that that particular date is also approaching. So if you have not watched those videos, definitely go and watch it so that you will have entire idea regarding Infibeam Avenues. And also I have updated regarding this particular stock in Telegram as well, that you can focus on Infibeam and you can add this for long term, and you can also do positional trade. So after this, many people have also messaged me in Instagram that they have taken the positional trade and they are in profit. So what can be the next target and all, we'll discuss. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding any share, also message me in Instagram. So ID is Stocks Diary YT. So already I have discussed in previous videos also to do message. If you clear your doubts, then only you will be earning profit. If you are having doubts, so that will be kept in your mind as long as you are getting loss. Okay, don't do those things. If you are having any doubt, make sure you ask me. So hundreds of messages will come, but I'm replying to each and every one. It's not that I'm ignoring all. I'm replying to each and every one. So when you ask doubt, then only you will learn. So learning is important. So I have put this YouTube channel only for learning purpose. So everyone, if you are having Instagram, message there, or you can follow me on Twitter as well. Okay, so if you see today's traded quantity, you can see roughly around 3 crore 65 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see delivery wise 2 crores 42 lakhs have been taken, and percentage wise you can see 66.23% is the deliverable quantity, which is very good. So if you see the average of Infibeam Avenues, roughly it is 70%. Okay, majorly we see 70% deliveries. So it is a very we can say good delivery wise takenable stock. Okay, basically we see very good deliveries, so especially when bonus is coming, so it is looking little attractive, so many people have bought at that particular level. Okay, so quickly let's see once day to day wise delivery, and then we'll go to technical charts. Okay, so if you see day to day wise deliverable quantities, so clearly you can see how the deliverable quantities are increasing. So this dark blue color lines are nothing but deliverable quantities, and light blue is nothing but traded quantity. So obviously when deliverable quantity increases, it means more and more shares are being added into demat account. So ultimately stock price also increases. So when traded quantity is more, it implies that trading. So what is trading? Basically buying and selling on the same day. So when that is more, we can't expect the stock to go much more further in that is coming sessions. So here we can see deliverable quantity is increasing. So what is the major reason? Because the record date is approaching, and also what is that? Bonus is being issued. So when bonus is being issued, 1 plus 1, that is if you're having 3 shares, you will be having 6. So that is basic meaning of bonus, 1:1. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous videos, do watch them, so it will be very helpful for you. So see, you can see average wise, if you see, the stock was very much trying to cross the 100 rupees. So when it has crossed the 100, the extreme bullishness was seen, and it has spiked almost 11%. So that is essence of technicals. So without technicals, you can't do anything. So follow technicals clearly, so then only you can make good profit. Okay, so we are back on to technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart, you can see today it has closed near 108. So if you see today's high, it has almost crossed 110 also, and here it has gone to 111 as well. So from there again it has started retracing. So 2 times it has gone there and little profit booking was seen. So this is little volatile stock. So this big wicks, you can see like stick pattern, right? So these are nothing but wicks. So whenever any uptrend stock is having wick, it means that letting selling is present. Okay, so nothing much to panic. So 110 is also very important. Hope you have earned a good profit as well. So people are already doing swing trade, they've exited with good profit, so well and good. So people have taken at low levels, so they would be benefited with the bonus. Okay, so very good returns will be expected, and the shares also will get doubled. So for long term, I would say this is very good stock. So don't try to sell it. If you're having at low levels, try to accumulate. So after bonus, you'll get some extra shares, right? So after that, if it corrects or if it goes further, because market also is looking little volatile, so take it as an opportunity and start investing. Okay. So next, when you see money flow index also, it is near 68. So that is pointing upwards and it is showing that stock has further potential. So when it is showing upwards, obviously stock also will start going up. Okay, so 1 week chart, you can notice some important observations. So first thing is the 50-day exponential moving average. So 50-day exponential moving average, nothing to tell. People who are regularly following me, they might be knowing what is the importance of 50-day. So whenever any stock approaches that, automatically reversal also happens. So in this stock also same thing happened. It has touched that and we know that it is little volatile. So after that it has gone up. So after this news has come, definitely many people will try to accumulate. So that is what happened. Accumulation has been taking place. So after very much long consolidation, it has started moving up. Okay, so still people who are holding at low levels, try to hold it. Don't do any selling. So that is what I got messages whether to book profit or not. So if you are taken at 60 to 70 rupees levels, so if you are holding this stock from those levels, definitely hold it. Don't do selling. So strict recommendation is hold it. Okay, people have taken at 90, 95. For them I'm telling, partially book the profit. Simple, partially book the profit. Rest of all, if in the coming days if it shows momentum, then well and good. After the bonus issue, we know that it will come little down. Try to buy there. Okay, so that will be little beneficial. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me. So immediately 110, if it crosses the 110 rupees, then 115 would be immediate target. Okay, so follow me on Instagram as well and join the Telegram group. So until then, take care. Bye bye.